Y'all know who this is. Davinci the poet, aka James Darnell. And I do poetry and sim reviews. So if you like that type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So without further ado, roll that beautiful bean footage. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about perfume oils and how to make your cologne actually last longer. So, the thing about perfume oils is that they're oil-based instead of alcohol-based. So, they're just purely the scent and not any harsh chemicals in it that would cause it to maybe not project as well or maybe have that harsh alcohol opening to the fragrance. So those tend to last longer. They tend to smell better, and they tend to be cheaper than actually buying the actual fragrance. But you don't get as much. And I'll show some examples of what I'm talking about, along with how to get your colognes to last longer. So in this example, this is Millesime Imperial, which is my favorite scent of all time. If y'all watch any of my videos, I've said that plenty of times. So as you can see, I didn't use pretty much almost all of it, so I gotta buy another decan of this. But this is the perfume oil, which you don't get that much. I paid like $7 for it. It smells exactly like House of Creed's Millesime Imperial. Beautiful stuff. And if you apply this on all your pulse points, just like you would spray, so for example, behind your ear, your neck area, your wrist area, elbow, you can apply your chest, your knee area, but behind your knee, your ankles, different areas like that. And then what you would do, I don't have Millesime Imperial, but I do have Club de Nuit Milestone. So then on top of those same areas, you can apply this and then it'll just last forever. So right now what I'm wearing is I have a decant oil of Silver Mountain Water from the House of Creed. I applied that, boom, 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 on my skin. And then again, I don't have Silver Mountain Water from House of Creed, but I do have the inspired by, or you can even say clone version of Silver Water and Birch by Cremo. Apply that on top, and I applied that before lunchtime, and it's literally like almost 5 o'clock now, and it still smells on my skin, because they say that Silver Mountain Water doesn't last that long, and this is no exception. Doesn't last that long, but when you combine the oil with the cologne, just the eau de toilette, bam, you pretty much have a scent that's gonna last all day. Yep, it's a skin scent now, but it's still lasting. It's still projecting decently, pretty much until I take a shower and then move on to my scent of the night. So that's just a quick tip. I just wanted to keep this short and sweet. Perfume oils, do not knock them. Some people try to shy away from perfume oils, but I see a lot of people are starting to get into them now. Do not shy away because they're super cheap. And if you can't afford the real fragrance or just don't feel like spending the money on the real fragrance, get the perfume oils because they actually do last. They actually do project pretty well. And they're super cheap. Like I said, I get mine for like $6, $7. And you will not be disappointed. So this is Davinci the poet. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, sister, father, mother, brother, cousin that Davinci does poetry and sim reviews. And as I always say, peace and God bless. See you in the next one.